Right, so you've heard the news that Roe v. Wade has been struck down by the Supreme Court, putting abortion laws in the hands of the states. Some are asking, is gay marriage next? And I say, I sure hope so.
Von Joke Vlog.
What's going on? It's your boy Von Fry here, giving the hard truths that YouTube doesn't want you to hear. Smash that like button, comment, share, subscribe, ring the bell, you know. Personally, I'm very excited about Roe v. Wade being overturned, giving Kansas tourism. But if this is just a precursor to more conservative rulings, let's consider the following. 2015, out of nowhere, it seems like the Supreme Court just go ahead and says, hey, nationwide gay marriage legal. Deal with it. At the time, I was quite excited for the community. If they want to be miserable like the rest of us, go right ahead. I figured also that their fight was over. They got the equality they wanted. I wouldn't have to hear about this group anymore. Oh boy, was I wrong. In the roughly 6 years since the ruling, the LGBTQ plus WAI QRSTLUV, they have aggressively pursued children, leveraging the tool of cancel culture to make it so that opponents had no voice. The LGBT community simply went after everybody possible. Now you can't flip on the TV without some kind of kowtowing to the ideology. Everyone's expected to blindly praise everything they do, including Drag Queen Story Hour. The Pride Parade looks like an excuse to violate public decency laws. I mean, equality is one thing, but to pursue beyond that really irks me. And maybe the best way to keep this group in check would be some pushback. Public citizens are unable to speak up. Maybe the court can.
And for some of the kids who maybe saw some nudity here, maybe saw some twerking, what do you think about that?
Sometimes when you grow up, you see some nudity.
Perhaps some ramifications for acting out of line is just the thing a fringe minority that is trying to indoctrinate your children needs. And I'd like to see the I'd like to see them break up, you know, like NWO, Splinter, Hollywood, and Wolfpack. I don't believe that everybody who aligns with this group actually wants to court children, but it sure seems like the majority leadership does. Besides, what does a Bull Dyke lesbian trucker have in common with a show tunes gay? Their interests are completely separate, but yet we put them under the same umbrella? I think we know which sides would be LGBT Hollywood and LGBT Wolfpack.
If you appreciate a YouTube channel that doesn't just pad out content to get to the 8-minute mark so that it can hammer you with ad breaks, then you should subscribe to my son's channel. You just got done watching it.